Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a real-time video using my brand new stencil set. It is a kawaii bundle which allows you to create cute figures, whether it's food like boba, avocado toast, cute little custard, to furry animal friends, or just cute little speech bubbles. I wanted to create a set for a while actually for you guys, and I finally got around to doing it. So I recently posted a video on Instagram. However, the video is really sped up, so for anyone who wanted to follow along or wanted to know how I use the stencil exactly, definitely keep watching. So the first figure here, I thought I would do kind of like a cute memo, but in the shape of a little cat. And so I figured you can add in the ears, the eyes, whiskers, cute cheeks, and totally customize all of these shapes. And I think the possibilities are pretty vast. But for just a tip on doing the kawaii eyes, I noticed that if you kind of space them a little bit more and lower the eyes in terms of the location of the face, it gives a slightly cuter look. And I really like using very large cheeks that can even extend beyond the outline of your shape, and I think it gives it a very, very cute look. And so I just wrote important at the top, or you could write memo or to do. Lots of possibilities for using that little cat. Oh, so this stencil shape was inspired by kind of like another little cat, but a peeking one that was hiding. So if you want to draw paws that are in front of, say, a ledge, you want to definitely draw the paws first. That way when you do your box, you can put it behind the paws so it looks like the cat is peeking out in front, at least the paws are, and then you can have a little tail sticking out from the back. And so since this specific stencil shape has an angle at the end, you'll want to draw in the little page flip to show that it's like a bent page at the corner. On this side, I am using the weather icons, and this one is actually a kawaii umbrella. So you don't necessarily have to make it an umbrella, but I think it's just very, very cute this way. And yeah, so I'm adding a different kind of eye here, cute little nose, and then of course I'll add in the little cheeks as well. I think adding the little details to your drawings really make it your own, and adding pops of color here and there is very, very cute as well. So I'm working on the weather icons here. I've got a moon, a cloud, and a sunshine. You can always add in the sun rays if you'd like. And this whole spread is done in a black fine liner and a pink mild liner. But you can definitely add color to all of the images as well. It could be very, very cute that way as well. But I kind of kept this a little bit more minimal and just adding the pops of color for the cheeks. Again, adding cute little eyes, nose, and sometimes a mouth for these icons make it extra cute. So I think I was most excited to put these designs into my stencil, and they are the kawaii bubble tea icons. And you can see here that I have two layers. There's the outside cup and then the inside drink itself, and then three different toppers, I guess you could say, for the tops of the bubble tea. So you definitely have to draw in your own little straw, which is not hard, just using the edge of the stencil to create the large bubble tea straw so that you can include the little boba at the bottom. Not sure if you guys are fans of bubble tea, but I'm a huge fan of the milk tea. Actually haven't had bubble tea in a while, but yeah, I was really excited to add this to my stencil set. So the middle design here, same kind of thing. I just showcasing the different tops to the bubble tea drink. There's a little dog and then a little cat in the corner, which you could also make into a pig, I think, if you wanted to for this third one. And I noticed in my video, I'm basically just showing how to do the bubble tea attachment, but there's actually a smaller attachment to these toppers, and you can make little cupcakes as well. Same thing, drawing the inside of the drink, and then I'll add in the straw and the boba at the bottom. While I was initially sketching out the different items that I wanted to include in the stencil set, I was like, oh my gosh, if I'm gonna do bubble tea, I should do avocado toast. So I started out with a cute little avocado, and then you'll see soon I made a little egg and then the toast shape behind. So if you want to layer items with stencils, you always want to draw the item that's in the front or on top first. So like earlier I did the cat paws, and for the avocado toast you'll want to draw the egg, and then you can draw the toast behind the egg. If you did it the other way around, you'd have lines going through the egg and it would not look as cute. But I think it's kind of a trial and error thing, so try it out. And then you can kind of see what I mean in terms of drawing what's in front first. So I was inspired for this icon by mango pudding, which I used to get at dim sum. Long time ago, it's been a while, but I wanted to make it kawaii, so I added the ears. But you can see for this one as well, I wanted the pudding to be on top, so I drew that image first, and then I used the plate underneath and stenciled it in second. So you can see if you did the plate first, you'd have the line of the back of the plate going through the cute little pudding, so that's why you want to do it in this order. Then I added a cute little face and cheeks. And here I am drawing a cute little ice cream cone because everyone loves ice cream. Same thing, I drew the top layer first, and then I stenciled in the second layer of ice cream and then added the cone. So you can see that it looks like there's different layers to this image. Very, very simple. Just adding the waffling at the bottom for the cone. So I added some cute shapes like stars, and I have a lot of cute speech bubbles that you can use to add kind of context to your drawings, and also for if you're doing like a note or something along those lines, you could put it into this speech bubble, which I thought was really cute. Oh, I guess I do use a yellow color, but yeah, you can add some color inside of your text bubble and it looks very cute as well. So here I'm adding in a heart inside of the little speech bubble. I think I was inspired by, it's either an icon in our text messages or on Instagram. I can't remember right now, but I think it's like the like button maybe. And then these are the furry animals that you can draw for friends. They are so cute. There's one on top which is a slightly smaller size if you wanted the arm waving to be up top, but if you wanted to use this large size, you could always flip the stencil around and use it that way. But I'm just adding some, like a little hairline, some eyes, and a nose to give it some character. And he is just super duper cute, and so I think, oh yeah, definitely adding the cheeks in as well. But yeah, having a speech bubble next to the character I think adds a lot. But he needed a little friend, so here's this little bear. And same concept here, I'm going to draw his arms before I do the heart that he's holding. So whatever he's holding is going to be behind, since if you picture yourself holding something, your hands would be in front. So you draw the arms first and then put the stencil of whatever goes behind, or you can draw an image of something like a camera or a bubble tea or anything. The possibilities are endless. But yeah, definitely anything that goes in front or on top, draw that first. And then we've got the eyes, cute little nose. Make sure you add in details for the ears. I think all of these little things add a lot to your designs. So my last image here for this video is actually a kawaii donut. I can see, it could also be like a little bear plate if you wanted it to, but this guy's a donut. And depending on how you color it, I think it'd be a little bit more evident as to what it is. But yeah, that could also be like a little nose, whatever you want it to be. But I think I use a little bit of a, oh, I do use a speech bubble to tell that, hey, I am a donut. It's very, very cute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and would love to see your creations. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at Beauty by Starlet so I can check out what you guys are doodling. I can't wait to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Comment down below if you did, and I'll link this new stencil set in my shop in the description box below. Alright, see you guys next time.